You used to carry the room. At work, people came to you with problems. You had the answers. You kept things moving. At home, you are the person everyone gravitated towards. Since aphasia came into your life, that confidence has been harder to find. The connection with the people around you feels different, and that's frustrating, especially given how much you've put into speech therapy. But here's the thing, speech therapy is built to work on what's difficult. The compass is built to show you what's possible. It's a tool we created to help you look at the 9 areas of communication across your actual life, at home, at work, and out in the world, where you have more strengths than you realize and where putting your energy is going to matter most. This is about rebuilding your life, getting back to being the person you are, claiming every part of your life back from aphasia, one area at a time. Do this with your spouse. Most couples find this is the first time they've stopped to look at communication in a way that actually makes sense for where you are and where you want to go, what you want to build towards. You need a map to get there. That's where rebuilding starts. When you finish, let's get on a call and talk through what you've found.